Welcome to JWZ MOULD Technology Co. Limited. Now, let's take an immersive tour of the real daily operation scene at JWZ Manufacturing Factory. You can see that JWZ Factory is equipped with CNC centers, EDM centers, grinding machines, grinding workshop, wire cutting machines, quality assurance system. Here is JWZ Stamping Workshop. We have Snaptec 5 OT stamping machines. Production equipment is the core guarantee of molding precision. These equipment are not just for display. They are the mainstay of our daily production. If you have any need, JWZ is always at your service.